Hi, my name is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to this series from Build to Grade to Upgrade. Sit back and grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's take a peek at my patio. As you can see, my patio is just a small landing strip. And we love our backyard. That is one of the things we actually fell in love with this house, was the view in the backyard. It's a lot of trees, and it's not another division or a house directly behind us. Well, not really. Me and my husband knew that when we purchased this home that we would have to extend our patio. And so the construction of that begins. We hired contractors to pour the concrete, and they did an amazing job. This is not something I would advise someone to DIY on their own unless they have experience with this type of construction. And finding a contractor to pour concrete is easy. We actually went to our house is a new subdivision, so we seen some contractors laying a patio, and we actually asked them to do it after we closed. So they came in and they set it up, and it took only one day, actually a half a day. They came in 8 o'clock that morning, and they were done around 1 o'clock. So it took like half a day, and some of that time was waiting for the cement truck to get here in order to lay the concrete, to pour the concrete. So I'm just kind of showing you a little bit of the process of how it works. They had down steel pipes. He actually explained a lot of it to me and my husband about, cutting holes in order to keep it stable and pouring concrete in holes so it wouldn't shift or crack. So those things are important to know. And this is our finished product, and I love it so much. It made such a big difference. I cannot wait to buy furniture to put back here. We already have, grills and everything to go back here, but I cannot wait to put furniture back here. As you can see, my son is standing on the patio of the original. And now you can see all that new patio that we have. It is gorgeous, guys. Money well spent. I am so happy with my new patio. We decided that we wanted to put our family name in the cement after it was poured, and it dried a little bit. So it's me and all my kids and my husband, and we love having a good time, y'all. It was so much fun and laughing that I couldn't even include it in this video. But this is me writing in our last name and the year. And it wasn't as easy. We kind of let it dry a little bit too much. It was the same day, but we kind of let it dry. So it wasn't very easy. It's harder than it looks. So I'm writing in Washington, which is our last name. 2020, which is the current year. My husband writing in his first initial. It's me writing in my initial. And here is my oldest daughter writing in her initial. And she's such a perfectionist. My middle child, she gets to write her initial in. This is a G. And my son, last but not least, but the baby boy gets to write his initial in, and he adds a J. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and let me know what you think.